Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deposit money on Polymarket. Whether you want to fund your account using crypto, a credit card, a bank transfer, or PayPal, the process is simple. Let's get started. First, open the Polymarket website or app and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete the registration process. Once you're logged in, click on the deposit button. You'll now see several funding options including cryptocurrency, credit card, bank transfer, connected exchange, and PayPal. If you want to deposit using crypto, select the cryptocurrency you want to use, such as Bitcoin or another supported token. Then choose the correct blockchain network. Polymarket will generate a unique deposit address. Copy this address and send your crypto from your wallet or exchange. If you'd rather use a credit card, select that option, enter the amount you want to deposit, choose your preferred payment provider, and enter your card details to complete the purchase. For a bank transfer, simply enter the required banking information and follow the on-screen instructions to transfer your funds. You can also connect a supported crypto exchange to transfer funds directly or choose PayPal if it's available in your region. Once your payment is processed, the funds will appear in your Polymarket account and you'll be ready to start trading or participating in prediction markets. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.